Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by eliminating the simplest power issues so you can focus on real faults. Plug the original charger and wait 15 to 30 minutes to rule out a deeply discharged battery. Make sure the charging LED behaves normally. Remove all peripherals, USB drives, SD cards, HDMI, and docks because they can halt post. Now perform a power reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to drain residual charge, and if the Swift 3 has a removable battery, reseat it to ensure solid contact. Next, you move into the more hands-on diagnosis to isolate hardware failures. Power down, unplug, and open the bottom cover. Ground yourself to avoid static. Check that RAM and SSD are fully seated. Remove, clean contacts with compressed air, and reinsert firmly. Observe fans spin and listen for beep codes or LED blink patterns because they point to CPU, memory, or board faults. Then attempt a minimal boot. Install one RAM stick in the primary slot and remove the SSD to see if the machine posts. Once you've narrowed hardware possibilities, focus on firmware and recovery. Try entering BIOS or UEFI with F2 or Dell. If it opens, load optimized defaults and save, because corrupted settings can block startup. If BIOS is inaccessible, create a Windows or BIOS recovery USB on another PC and attempt a recovery or BIOS reflash following Acer's exact model procedure. If the laptop still refuses to power or show post, document LEDs, sounds, and steps taken. Then contact.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.